All right, guys, it's Wednesday, and I have a ceiling fan job. I'm actually going to be installing two of them. So I'm starting out here by assembling the first one. They all basically work the same. Every once in a while, you get one that's kind of difficult or like a little strange, but 99% of them are exactly the same. Guys, if you could subscribe to my channel, it'd be great. I'm trying to reach 100. I'm getting close. Like, share, and subscribe. It would be great, guys. Thanks. And here I'm trying to remind you to unscrew these two screws because it will save you time and discomfort if you forget to. Once something's on the ceiling and you have the fan up there and you have everything connected, you need to put on this little cover plate. And if those screws aren't all the way down, it can be difficult.
This is a size 8 taco. 8. The ceiling is brick. And these screws, these are 5 by 40s, okay? It's 40 long, 5 wide. I'm pulling on this really hard, and it's not budging an inch. That thing it's strong. It's not going anywhere. I like to tighten it up with my screwdriver. I can't turn that anymore. That's already there. And there we go. Same thing. Hand tightening it, I can feel that it's super tight, it's good to go. That's not going anywhere. So. Okay. Just getting this little tug. Okay, it's in there solid. Got our neutral. There's no earth here, there's no tieta. Okay, got a little tug, we're good. Okay, stuff that up there. Get ready to hang the fan. Alright, so we're going to turn it, and it fell in place. We're good to go. Okay. And then we have a receiver, which just slips up there. This is actually, we have a receiver. This is actually the most difficult part, the most annoying. So I have a lot of confidence in this. I used to leave this off and then test it, but I have confidence that this is going to be fine. And I have my little stubby screwdriver.
This is what I was talking about, guys. If you don't have those two screws down far enough, it can be difficult to actually tighten them. So loosening them before you put the support in the ceiling will really save you some discomfort and save you some time. I've had to actually take the fan down in the past. So
okay, let's give it a test. It works. So this one I have to repair the ceiling a little bit too. The last guy who came, he made some mistakes, so I'm not sure how I'm going to install it yet. I have to take a look first. Same process, guys. Okay, the power's off. Probably gonna put it here and just cover those up. Probably what I'll do. Almost forgot. Gotta do this again, huh? Okay. Bye. Seems fine. It's gonna be up there fine. Remember. 5 by 40. 5 millimeters by 40 millimeters. Okay, 45. These are the best. I wouldn't put anything smaller. You put something smaller, it could fall. But these I feel very safe with. I guess that's what it comes down to. If you feel safe putting a smaller one, do it. But for me, I've put up over 200 ceiling fans. No one's ever called me that said it fell or that it's moved. So this is what works for me. If you're a professional and you do it differently, go ahead. But for me, this is what works. Like I said, just hand tightening them. That way I know they're perfectly, the wall plug is perfectly squished. If I do it by hand, I can feel it. Yeah, that one's perfect. Okay. See, this one's going quite a bit. But if I keep going, yeah, once you feel the resistance, it's good. Okay, same thing. I'm already feeling the resistance on there. So look, I'm pulling on this very hard. Not moving. It's good. All right, let's make our connections. Our line, our phase first, whatever you want to call it, your hot one. Okay, gonna go into the line. And then we have our neutral, or our neutro, como quieres decirlo. Vale. Okay. We give it a little tug, and it doesn't move. We should be good. Tuck these up here. Now she asked me to fill this with some masilla. I'm going to do it for her because it's pretty easy. I'm here to do the fans. I'm not here to redo the walls. That's it. We're going to leave it like that. I got my hand in the masilla. There you go. I'm going to wash my hand off. All right, it's working. Good news. Okay, let's try 3. All right. Oh yeah, I can feel that. It feels good. All righty. Okay. This is the highest. This is 6. No movement. That's what's important. I don't want it to move. And it's solid. It's not moving. So I feel 100% confident in that. Okay. I'll bring you guys back. So just some comments on that job. Yeah, that was a little bit of an in-depth look at how I install ceiling fans. That was a brick ceiling. It's a little different when it's a drywall ceiling, but same kind of, very similar. Just a different type of fijación. I fix it to the ceiling a little differently. But yeah, that lady gave me a great review. She said 5 out of 5, but she wanted to give me 10 out of 10, but it wasn't possible. So yeah, she was really cool. Really cool. Really great to get reviews like that. I appreciate that. It makes me feel good. But yeah, the rest of the day I'm actually free. I had a bit of a, well, I don't know why I'm free, but I am. Nobody else booked me for today. Tomorrow I have 2 jobs and an estimate to give, and Friday I'm working with the carpenter. So I'm actually just heading down to the big box store because I need to get some, I just need to get supplies. I need more tacos. Tacos, by the way, those are wall plugs in Spanish. So yeah, that's what I'm doing with the rest of my day. And yeah, tomorrow I have curtains to install and another faucet in the kitchen. So I'll bring you guys on for that tomorrow. And Friday I probably won't record because I'm with the carpenter. Maybe just take some photos when we're finished. And Saturday, nothing's booked yet, but hopefully I get a call for Saturday. I'm actually alone this weekend, so I would even work all day on Saturday. Usually I just do a half day, but I would do a full day. So we'll see. All right, guys, thanks.